In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Aisha Gold EA on my IC Markets account for months. And zounds, it's gilded my gains to plus 19.11% with the panache of a parodic prospector. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that strikes gold without the grime. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Aisha Gold paragon of pips. The zip folder for the Aisha Gold EA disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the ex4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the ex4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Aisha Gold EA to XAUUSD's H1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Aisha Gold EA parades its plus 19.11%. Absolute gain escapade on IC Markets, ballooning $104,000 deposits into $45,827.88 balance with $5,827.88 profit after $64,000 withdrawals. Daily 0.04% chuckles, monthly 1.30% guffaws, equity curve a bemused ascent, lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners, way above the 60% benchmark for gold bots that chase wild swings. Average win, a juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the Aisha Gold EA's built-in neural network entry logic and smart grid recovery that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net profit solid. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD without overtrading. Drawdown's only 2.23% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked, risk of ruin negligible, profit factor high more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in massive back. Commissions? Low on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of high per trade covers it easy. Average hold time reasonable for H1 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 19% plus hauls without the heart attacks, this Aisha Gold EA is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Aisha Gold EA on MT4 with ticks from recent data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $1,105.60, gross profits $1,449, edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced, win rate high overall. Average trade netting positive with max drawdown low absolute. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Aisha Gold EA has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Aisha Gold EA strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.